Let's take a look at your markets now. Kicking things off on the local front, the JSE received a mixed handover from Asia as traders digested Powell's dovish comments and what a Trump win could mean for China. Local markets mainly being driven by international factors ahead of domestic monetary policy moves. Excuse me, with that, the all share is down over 1%. This was driven largely by the industrial 25 losing 2%, followed by the financial 15 down 1.77%. The resources 10 complex trading in the opposite direction, up 0.24%. Let's look at stateside now. The Dow initially led the gains on Wall Street, being boosted by strong results. We got numbers from United Health and banks like Morgan Stanley, downbeat numbers from Bank of America though. Markets also boosted by unexpectedly robust retail sales data signaling a still resilient US economy, but that did little to dampen those rate cut bets. As you can see, the Dow powering through up 1.5%, followed by the S&P 500 gaining 0.3%. The Nasdaq, however, trading in the opposite direction in a negative territory, down 0.11%. Let's move over to Europe now. Markets on that end still in the red. Sentiment is pretty sour. In Germany, we saw a sharp decline in the ZEW Economic Sentiment Survey report, representing the first move lower in a year as it fell to a 4-month low of 41.8. We also saw the Eurozone trade balance figure coming in well under expectation. Now, this, of course, taking place ahead of that all-important ECB meeting, where economists are expecting policymakers to keep rates steady. With that, we're seeing the FTSE 100 down close to 0.2%, followed by the DAX, the German DAX, losing 0.36%. The CAC 40, the biggest loser on that front, down 0.67%. Taking a look at your rand now. On that front, we had riskier sentiment seeming to return to the table. The local unit retracing some of those losses seen yesterday from 1821 to about 1808 at the moment. So that is the dollar against the rand, the pound against the rand at 23.43 and the euro against the rand at 19.69. Let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar staying steady at 1.08, the pound to the dollar at 1.29, and the dollar to the yen just under 159.